Hello traders, this is Oli, and today I'm looking to buy crude oil. Just check if our orders are set. Okay, account is set. I think I missed it, but let's see if we can get back. A little bit of pullback would be fine. So we see some downward pressure yesterday, and this morning they broke new highs. They made a new high, and then that was yesterday. This morning they came up again a little bit bullish. The price been sidelined for some time, and then finally they peaked a new high, and then they broke a new high here as well. They tested it, smacked higher. Now after this all movement, what happened? The price all of a sudden we have a drop off. We have a seller trap underneath this drop off, and then the next candle we see is a bullish candle. This is the pullback that we have to wait for to get into the trade. We have our selling bar, that is this bar. So usually I will buy above this one, but I just missed it by some a few minutes, and let's see if we can get an entry within this 1.5 minute bar. A pullback move. Nice. What we can do is we can buy one contract down up there at 35 for now, and in case the price drops back, we can buy one more. So what I mean is, if I buy one contract here right away, and then in case the price drops back down, buying a second contract at 16. Stop in this case, in both cases, will be underneath this low. That will be a 55 point stop. So 55, okay, 55, come on, yeah. Why 55? Because I just don't want to see this low broken. Plus, in case if they want to break it, maybe just fix it and then comes back up again. So that's what, okay, here we go. I think price is giving me an opportunity. How many points? 6 points. Come on. Looks good. Uh-oh. I'll buy the close of this candle anyway, but I want it to close at least some points down. So now the price goes back up again, 12 points. Let's see. 7 seconds. Order is ready. 1. Okay, bought it. Stop goes underneath the swing. Target the mid of the range. Okay, so take profit, and stop losses are intact. 46 points here. Just want to make sure that everything is on the right side. Why it says here, let me see, just want to make sure. Oh, there you go, got it. No, I think I have a miss. I have it wrong. I have it 1-to-1. Yeah, it is 1-to-1. So 50. Okay, I just undone it. 60 points it says. Okay, so 62 points loss with 62 points of profit. Everything is okay now. 1-to-1. Let's give it some time, and we'll catch you later. It may take a while for the price to run for 60 points. For the meantime, you can look for opportunities on euro. So a euro made a divergence here. So we have a new high, and technically we have a new higher low as well, and higher as well. So we can draw a trend line, a rising trend line, sorry, like that. And all you need to see is a new high and a new higher low to go for the guns. So around 1.9 0.09, and we can buy it and look for opportunities toward to 1.1 handle. So euro is looking good to the upside. Gold is trading higher, so let's just go to 4-hourly chart. So we have 3 touches, first, second, they missed it, so the buyers missed it here, and then the third, and then now we are coming to the 4th touch. So does that mean I'm gonna sell it? So in case if I'm a bounce trader, I like to sell the trend line bounces. So at this point, the second touch is definitely not counted, because we never know if the price will stop here, or maybe the trend line is going like that, so we don't know. But definitely here, yes, there was an opportunity, but what happened? Price came back to the EMA, got the support from EMA plus a rising trend line, aggressive rising trend line. They failed to break a new low, and then the buyers just took control of it. So now it's a buyer's market. Not now, like been quite a while. So the ideal situation will be for the break of this rising trend line, coming back to take it as support, and then look for again buying opportunity at 1740 handle. It will be a little late entries, but that's fine. So while we are talking, seems like gonna happen. Okay, so it's just very close for now. So a lot of time what happens is the price fakes it, comes back, takes a pullback, takes a correction, and then the buyers are jumping into the trade somewhere around here at 1670, 80 area, and those buyers which got entries here, they're still in the trade, and they'll be looking to take something out from the trade at the new highs. So this can be the opportunity for gold. In case if the price stops here, we can gun for the new highs. Gold looking bullish, euro looking bullish as well. 60-minute chart is even looking better. Yeah, have a look. Wow. So we have a twin reversal. We have failure, we have a twin reversal with 1 candle gapping. So that's nice to buy for longer term. For swing traders, we can buy the close of this candle. This looks promising. So 7 more minutes, and then we'll look to buy euro against the dollar. Gold indices are, there's some volume showing up on the indices as well. But crude oil, wow. So luckily the price did not come back down. So that's what you have to do in the trade management. You have to know that what if the price doesn't come back to your desired entry level? Should you buy it above there, or should you buy for the new highs? Depending on the context of the trade, how the price is trading, how is it looking. but no fills. So finally got our target by hitting a stop loss. So that would be somewhere around how many? 20 points. So 20 points on crude oil. We tested it. We waited for some time. We waited for like this candle. We hope that it will be just the next candle. The next candle was nothing. It closed at the bottom. The next candle closing at the top. You have a doji, engulfing bullish candle, and then now we have engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, which have engulfed all of these candles. Now there might be a scenario that the close of this candle we will buy it, and then we'll look for again another move to the upside, but that doesn't look like to be the scenario for now. Is that 618? Let me just see. Right, because that's what happened. Price started to fall from here and fall all the way till there. So 618 would be somewhere around here. So the price respected 618 and then coming in at 76.4. Never mind. So that was the trade. We tried giving it a room in case if price wanna go back up to the highs, but it didn't favor us. So price may favor you someday it may not favor you, but you have to respect and go according to your strategy. The strategy that you're trading with, you need to apply each and every rule in order for you to get the money out from the market, and keeping risk to reward ratio equal and all other stuff, like the basic stuff. So I'll be speaking that one in the upcoming videos, so do watch them as well. But for this trade, we had a nice breakout move over here, bought the close of this candle, we sat through some heat, got a test of our target, and finally price just broke lower, stopped us out, and then here we are. Now the price may go up because I still believe that this is a bull's market for the day. Looks like crude oil is giving us one more opportunity within 26 seconds. So let's just get our order ready. Okay, so I decided to go with 2 contracts. You never know. Come on, give us a deeper pullback, please. No, if it drops deeper, I'm gonna buy here. But in case no, I'll buy a close of this candle in 4. Okay. Bought the close. Stop will be very small. What's the stop? Because 14 points. Let's go for double the size. So 1 to 2. Oh, I got the filled order, so I got stopped out. Let's see if you can buy a little deeper. Seriously, Crude. So you just stopped me and then you're going higher. Oh my gosh, can't really believe this. Can you believe this? I just got stopped out. Can you believe this? Yeah. Cannot believe this. Let's go for one more contract. Okay, final try to in the crude oil, because now I feel I have a faith in the trade. So this will be my buy order. If the price drops back to these lows, I'm gonna buy 2 more. Okay, order got filled. Okay, let me just make my quickly orders. Price drops here. I'll buy 2 more, and stop for them will be here. Stop will be for 3 contracts. I don't want to see this low broken again, so moving my stop here makes sense. So 1 to 1 in case for now, in case if the price just goes 1 to 1, we'll be targeting a new high. Here you go, 59 points again on crude oil. I got a small loss on crude here. It just stopped me, literally just stopped me. If we can go to 1 minute chart, we'll see. Just came down to stop me. Yeah, maybe 10 seconds will help. I'm just curious to see if it just came down to stop me and then went higher, or what just happened, because I feel like I got trapped. I got trapped, really. Since it's 10 seconds, it may take a little while for the charts to load. Okay, there you go. Yes, so I just got stopped out in this 10 second bar. If you can see the arrow down, so stopped out, and then there you go, the price moved favoring me. So that's the importance of placing a stop at the right time, at the right place. Stop placement is really important, guys. I did the mistake. Anybody can do it. Of course, I'm a human being, right? I just can't just win all the trades. Okay, good. Let's get back to 5 minutes. So the strategy here now will be, because this is a huge candle, we don't trust this. It engulfed whole of these bars, right? Of previous, I don't know, maybe 1 hour. So it engulfed all of them, and look at this spike. Closing, we bought it, took a small tiny stop of 14 points, and now we're buying again. So it's not a revenge trading. It's still what do you call it, a breakout trade, a failure, sellers failing to defend these lows. Okay, crude. We'll give it some time now. So in case if the price drops back, I'm gonna buy 2 more, and I don't want to see this low broken now. Was about to hit the stop button, but crude oil, they came down to fill me 1 tick, just 1 tick, but no. Finally out from the crude oil. Thank you, crude oil. You made me sit for and about like 21. My math is weak. 21 times 5 divided by 60. Almost 2 hours. So I sat through 2 hours crude oil. Thank you so much. Let me just explain the trades. Okay, guys. So we have a new high, right? What do we see when what happens when you hit a new high? Definitely you will see some profit taking, like what is happening now here, right? Profit taking. But this is, okay, I'll say a profit taking. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, when you see biggest bars, stay away from them. Okay, again, the biggest bar engulfed whole of the previous session. Okay, now what happens? No follow through. So there is something, definitely something is going on that caused this drop. Fundamentally, technically, anything can be, right? But what happened? We don't know. Okay, let's see what the price will do. There is no follow through. Seller's trap. Okay, we see a lot of wick. So sellers are not defending this area anymore. 25 handle gone out from the roof. What do? We don't want to trade the first leg of it. you definitely want to trade the second leg of it. Third for sure. Okay, so there's still possibility on the third one. Like in third one we can say the possibility is like 60%. The second leg to the upside maybe 50%, so it's still a 50-50. So we got into the trade over here. We waited for a long time. We saw coming back down, almost 30 points loss. We see second target got tested, the first target, sorry, the target got tested but no fills, and all of a sudden we have this huge seller, like a profit taking or whatever. Maybe these guys got tired. Okay man, this is not going anywhere, been sitting in the trade, whatever may be the reason, or this may be just a fundamental move. Maybe Saudi said something, Russia said something, the meeting is ahead, I don't know. Okay, what I see is the chart. I'm not listening to the fundamental stuff. So moved our stop loss, which was underneath this, moved it. At least we get something because we got the test already, and now or never. So we got again very close to our target and smack down. We got the stop loss. Now what? Sellers, proof now, right? Proof that you are in the trade. And we see a lot of wick again. Same area of resistance, support, sorry. Huge bullish attempt, closing added highs, right? Everything is pointing in the favor. So I bought close of this candle, got us stopped out at 14 points, and then it moved higher. Now again, I don't want to see now price coming back down and giving me a fill. Now I want to buy above the price, in case if price comes, hits me, and that's what I want to see. I want to see a huge run, right? That's exactly what happened on crude oil for now. We entered the trade above the price. Price came, filled us. We had some time, took some time, came back down, flew, and then now they're going for another run. So overall on crude oil we had $660, so 66 points on crude. One was a loss and 2 are in the profit. Yeah. So the move for the crude oil is done. Look at this, the price is back again. Right, that's what we see. When we see huge drop, that's a strategy. When you see a huge drop on crude oil, okay, or on any forex pair or futures, anything, don't just panic, don't just go in and run into the trade. Wait, keep your nerves, keep your money in your account, keep your money safe, be calm, and when the right time comes, you go in with all what you got. Like for example, here we had one contract, but I was willing to buy 2 more if the price comes down. The price came down maybe a tick and then it flew, right? So that's not in my hand. I don't know where the price will come, where it will go, but what I can do is trade management. I can go with the trades, I can go with the book, what is happening, how it is happening, what may happen, what if the price doesn't favor me, where will I trade, where will I put my stop losses and take profits, right? That's how you have to go. You have to make a plan before you enter a trade, right? So hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye bye.